Welcome back to the Bayou.
Two ways that I know. You either chill your crabs or put your crabs in the water with your seasoning and let it paralyze them. So you put your ball in there. That's all you really need in there for now. Now, everybody got different ways of doing this stuff. But there's two ways to keep the claws. If you're gonna sell crabs, you gotta sell them with claws on them. People want the legs. And to make a good display, you need to have them legs on them crabs. Yeah, if you're cooking at home, you don't give a but then you just throw them in the water and all the claws pop off in the hot water. But I like my claws on all my crabs. So they're gonna breathe all that in. They're gonna soak it in. And that makes them good when you're drinking that juice. Pull that shell apart. Oh man, suck that juice out of there. Make you put that Miller Lite down, drink some more. I'm gonna dump these in here and I'm gonna let them soak up. Let them soak that water. And this about gonna knock them out. So we'll put these crabs in here and get a good basket full. Boy, look at them number one. That's very big fine crabs. We'll get a good basket full and we'll let them set there for a while so they can't breathe in that juice and that crab ball. And then I'll fire them up and get that fire going. And then I might lose a dozen claws, but that's better than every one of them popping off. It's either that or chill them in some ice water, stick them in a cooler, or to go to get them. That old crab ball got me coughing. $19. This is the second batch on cook today. Y'all saw the first batch earlier. This is the second batch. So we're fixing to cut that fire off of there and call that quits. And then I'm gonna show you how to eat these damn crabs. Everybody eats different. But I'm gonna show you how to eat. And if you do it my way, you get them crabs there quick. You eat a dozen in about 15 minutes. You got a belly big enough to put them in. Okay, that's it for that. Let me go over and cut these crabs. I got some pretty crabs here, and we're gonna do a little display on how to eat them. Now I know most of them boys down south know how to do all this, but you folks up north, y'all might know, not know. When I do that, I pull that claw out, and then you snap it here. And if you cook him right, the meat comes right out of there. Look at that. Comes right out of there. Now, two ways to get out of this claw. You can break this, and all that meat comes out of there. Look, ooh, boy, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Or you can do like this right here, and well, let me do it. I'm used to doing it with my teeth. When I get too old, I can't do that no more with my teeth. But I'm still a young buck. I can do that, okay? Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and eat that, because there wasn't nothing in there. But I just showed you how to do it. Now you can always break it with a knife. Or you can do this if you got dentures. But I use my teeth. Okay, boy, here's that juice I was telling you all about. Woo, you dig up in there and you get that fat out of there, man. Now some of them crabs, when they're too skinny, they ain't nothing but pepper in there. You don't want to drink that. Boy, it's gonna work on you. So, what I do here, I break this open, and I break this fiddle off right there. Now that's what they call a lump white crab meat right there. Out of this fiddler, and every crabber knows that. Knows anything about crab, knows that's your lump meat comes out of that one fiddler. Man, boy, that's good. And then what I do, some of them cut it. I don't cut it. I squeeze it. Now I break that. And then you got the channels on the leg. That's your meat. That's your meat right there. You eat that. Here's another channel. Snap that off. Come right out of there. Another channel. Every leg got a channel of meat in it. Then you can fiddle around and get a little bit where the front leg was. Now, a lot of people don't know they got a lot of meat in these legs on the big crab. You break that loose, you just suck it right out of there. It's empty. We do that later. I do that when I get all the good meat ate. Then I go back on my claws. But there you go. Pull that meat out. There's that lump white crab meat right here, right in there. So I just break that loose right there. Break that loose and look at all that meat coming out of there. That's all that chunk white meat coming out. And this crab here is not one of the fattest crabs in the batch, but he's got a lot of meat in it. I ain't worried about all that fat. I want a good full crab. Look at that meat. Put all that meat there. You take a dozen of these crabs, you get a pint and a half of meat out of them. Then you go cook you a good gumbo. Yeah, look at all that meat. Now you got all that meat in these legs. I'm coming back for these legs now. You can pull it out or suck it out. I'm all out of that. Okay, we done ate a crab, guys. Look, we got a little more meat left here. So we're gonna get a little bit here. A little bit more there. I squeeze this and I get all that meat out of that. If y'all can see that now. Get all that meat out of there. Boil it. Now
Hey guys, so we had a great day. It's been fabulous. And myself, Marsha, Daryl, and Joe, my brothers, have run the crab pots, we boiled the crabs, and now we have eaten the crabs.
and drinking good cold brew.
And it's been a good day. Thank y'all for watching. We love you subscribers. And we love our new cat.
And be looking for the fishing videos coming out soon.
And when you boil them crabs, make sure you got good cold brew with you. You got to have good cold brew to eat them crabs.
That's available for purchase soon. Let them know.
Now, I ain't going to tell you what kind of brew to have, but good cold brew of your choice.
Tell them hats available for purchase soon.
Hats available for purchase if you want to purchase a hat,
And
a cap,
and shirt.
and shirts.
All right.
It's a good day.
Cheers to you.